students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. The correct option for this question is option C, which is black. Why not blue, red or violet? See, from the earth we are seeing sky as blue at the daytime. Then why it is black on the moon? So the major difference between earth and moon is that earth has an atmosphere and moon doesn't have any atmosphere. So why atmosphere is playing this crucial role? So what is happening in atmosphere? It has so many different kind of molecules. For example, on the earth, our atmosphere is majorly filled with nitrogen and oxygen, right? So this small molecules, what happens when the white light from the sun, when it comes in our atmosphere, after passing through a molecule, it scatters into different colors, like different spectrum of colors, which we know as the Vibgyor. So out of this different, every color in the spectrum has a different wavelength. So there is a particular wavelength, which is blue color wavelength, that scatters more, which makes our sky appearing blue. But for moon, this is not the case. There is no atmosphere, so no scattering of color. So sky will appear as it is, which is black. So correct option is option C. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.